What is up, everybody? This is your YouTuber Jazzy J, and in today's video, well, this video is going to be everywhere. I'm going to be baking cookies and treats with my aunts and my mom and my sister and me, and yeah.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop.
It is 10:25 right now, and this is my outfit, but I have to change it later because my aunt and my mom is actually wearing PJs, so I'm gonna wear PJs. So I'm gonna wear my onesie, which I'm gonna show you guys in a quick second, but I want to show you guys my early Christmas present from my mom. I actually got real Uggs, yo. These are the design. There we go, that's better. And yeah, I got these Uggs. Now I'm gonna get ready and hop into my outfit. Be right back. And this is my outfit. This is Chewie from Star Wars. If you don't know who Chewie is, you should be really disappointed in yourselves. But here is a image of who Chewie is. But if you don't follow Star Wars and you don't like that, then I respect you. This looks see-through, but it's not, see? And I'm gonna put a t-shirt under it. This looks really see-through. Okay, bye guys. I don't like this. Bye. Laundry time!
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
What are you making?
I am making royal icing.
Are you using color?
Yep, they're over there.
This is taking forever.
I swear to God, read the instructions. Are you sure you're a teacher? Do that. You should read it better. Well, so hopefully here, every year. When will you learn?
I'm on duty. Very important. They're meant rain. These are mine.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all